guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, pag-uusapan naman natin kung ano yung mga documents na prepare ko or dinala ko during my US visa interview. So kung interesado kayo, just keep on watching. So ang unang-una guys na dinala ko is ang aking passport. Yes, required po ang passport during your interview at binavalidate yung mga details din doon. At syempre, kapag approve ka, kukunin to ng visa officer at marireceive mo yon with the visa. Okay, so first na dinala kong document was my passport. Ang pangalawa naman na dinala kong document was my appointment notice. After ko magbayad, after ko mag-book ng appointment, print ko po yung appointment notice na kung saan nakasulat doon yung interview date ko, time ng interview, at kung saan yung location ng embassy. So, kailangan nyo pong dalhin yun guys kasi i-check yun ng reception or yung personnel ng US Embassy para ma-validate kung tama ba yung information at naka-appointment ka ba sa araw na yon. And then, pangatlo naman guys ay ang DS-160 confirmation page. After kong fill out yung DS-160 form ko, after submission, naka-receive ako ng DS-160 confirmation page. Printin ko lang din yon para dalhin ko din sa mismong interview day. And then yung pang-apat na dinala ko ang aking extrang letrato. Yes po, picture. Hindi ko sinabing required yon, pero what if nagkaroon pala ng problem yung in-upload yung letrato online, so kailangan nyo pang mag-provide. So just to be safe guys, you can bring an extra picture pag sakaling magkaroon ng problem. And then yung mga other documents na dinala ko pa are certificate of employment, bank statement, and also my marriage certificate. Kasi nag-declare ako na married na ako. Just in case lang na magtanong sila, may maibibigay ka. So, in my case, wala po silang kinuhang documents, yung passport lang. Wala silang kinuha, wala silang tiningnan kahit isang documents. Yung passport lang. Yung COE hindi tiningnan, yung bank statement hindi tiningnan, at yung marriage certificate hindi rin tiningnan. So, yun guys. Yun lang yung mga documents na dinala ko during my interview sa US Embassy. Yun. So, that's it for today's vlog guys. Sana nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung mga documents na kailangan nyong i-prepare for your US visa interview. At sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. At sana ma-approve din yung visa application nyo. And guys, if you have any questions, please comment down below para try kong sagutin kung ano yung, kung kaya ko. Okay? So, thank you again for watching this vlog. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!